Hey there! Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth and abundance effortlessly, while others struggle to make ends meet? Well, the secret lies in their mindset. Yes, you heard it right! Having a rich mindset is the key to creating a life of abundance and success. In this video, we're going to explore how to adopt a rich mindset and transform your life forever. So, are you ready to change your mindset? Let's get started. Understanding the rich mindset. Firstly, let's understand what a rich mindset actually means. It's a way of thinking that focuses on abundance, possibility, and opportunity. People with a rich mindset believe that there's always enough to go around, and that success is achievable. They don't shy away from taking risks and embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Overcoming limiting beliefs. The next step in adopting a rich mindset is to overcome your limiting beliefs. We all have a set of beliefs that we've been conditioned to believe from childhood. These beliefs often hold us back from achieving our full potential. For example, you might believe that money is the root of all evil or that you're not smart enough to succeed. These beliefs need to be challenged and replaced with empowering beliefs that support your success. Embracing an abundance mentality. Now that you've worked on your limiting beliefs, it's time to embrace an abundance mentality. This means focusing on what you have rather than what you lack. When you have an abundance mentality, you attract more abundance into your life. You become more grateful for the things you have, and you start to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. Taking action. Lastly, adopting a rich mindset means taking action. You can't sit back and wait for success to come to you. You need to actively seek it out. This means setting goals, taking risks, and pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone. You need to be willing to work hard and persevere through challenges. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people. One of the most important steps in adopting a rich mindset is surrounding yourself with like-minded people. This means surrounding yourself with people who share your values, beliefs, and goals. These people will motivate and inspire you, and they'll hold you accountable to your goals. They'll also help you to stay positive and focused on your success, even when things get tough. Practicing gratitude and visualization. Finally, practicing gratitude and visualization can be a powerful tool in adopting a rich mindset. When you practice gratitude, you focus on the good things in your life rather than the bad. This helps to shift your mindset towards abundance and positivity. Visualization, on the other hand, helps you to imagine the future that you want to create. By visualizing your success and abundance, you attract it into your life. Together, gratitude and visualization can help you to create. And there you have it. By adopting a rich mindset, overcoming your limiting beliefs, embracing an abundance mentality, taking action, surrounding yourself with like-minded people, and practicing gratitude and visualization, you can create a life of abundance and success. So what are you waiting for? Start adopting a rich mindset today and watch your life change for the better. Thanks for watching. Bye.